Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there Batty fans, it's time for a little bit of GCSE exam practice here with the Batty Boffin, helped as always by Bathilda the Batty cat. Now today she has been mouse hunting, and being a mathematical cat she has been analysing the types of mice that she catches. Some of the mice are fast at running, some are slow, some are good at hiding, some are bad, and here's her summary of accounts. Of the mice around her, 3/4 are slow at running, all the rest are fast. Looking another way, 10% of the mice are bad at hiding and all the rest are good. There are also some mice which are fast at running and good at hiding, both of those together. That is 3/20 of the mice, and they're really hard to catch. So for part A, would like you please to demonstrate either on a Venn diagram or on a two-way chart, you can use whichever you prefer, just show that data. So that's part A. Pause the video and do that now, please. Right, I'm going to start off, I think, with the two-way chart. Here I'm going to put their speed. They're either fast or they're slow, and they're either good at hiding or bad. Now we know that 3/4 of the mice are slow. Now I'm going to do everything, I think, in decimals here. You could put them as fractions or you could put them as percentages. I'm going to use decimals. So 3/4 of them are slow, which means that the total of this slow column must be 0.75. Okay? If the total of that is 0.75, then that must be 0.25. Similarly, with the ones that are good and bad, we're told that 10% of them are bad at hiding. So that's 0.1 here, which means that that must be 0.9. Putting the similar totals over on the Venn diagram, this time I'm actually going to label them, instead of slow and bad for my circles, I'm actually going to label them with fast and good, because we've got this fast and good down here. And that fast and good is going to go in the middle. Okay, so it makes it easier that way. So this is going to be my fast circle, and that's going to be my good circle, which means the bit in the middle is fast and good. Okay, the fast circle we know is 0.25, so the total of everything in that circle has got to be 0.25, and the good one has got to be 90%, so the total of that one is 0.9. Okay, now that's got these two bits of data on. Now let's do that one down there. Fast and good is 3/20, that's 0.15. So we know on this one that 0.15 goes in the middle, in the intersection. On my diagram over here, fast and good is here, 0.15. So with that information in place, we can sort out all the rest. If this is 0.15 and it has to add up to 0.25, then clearly that bit is 0.1. That's 0.15, it has to add up to 0.9, then clearly that bit is 0.75, which means that this bit must be 0. On the Venn diagram, if you chose to do it that way, the whole of this fast circle must be 0.25, that bit is 0.15, which means that that bit is 0.1. The whole of this is 0.9, that bit's 0.15, so that bit is 0.75. And don't forget the outside area. That is the ones that are neither fast nor good at hiding, the slow ones that are bad at hiding. And if we add that lot up, that lot come to 1 already, so that area must be 0. Okay, hopefully you got either that or that, and we can use those to answer the following questions. What is the probability that any mouse in the area of Bathilda the Batty cat is a fast runner? You don't care whether they're good or bad at hiding, just a fast runner. Probability that they are slow at running and good at hiding. Probability that they are slow at running or good at hiding. Probability that they are slow and bad at hiding. Okay, so you answer all those and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, probability that they're fast is quite easy. 0.25, the contents of that circle. 0.25. the probability that they are both slow at running and good at hiding. So slow at running and good at hiding, 0.75. Or here, slow at running, so outside that circle, but good at hiding, so inside this, that's this area, 0.75. Slow at running or good at hiding. So that's slow at running anywhere in this column or anywhere in this column. So those three squares added up, which comes to 0.9. On here, we want good at hiding, so anywhere in this circle, or slow, so or outside that circle, so that they can be either in this one or out of that one. So it's the area outside here and this, which adds up to 0.9. And finally, slow and bad at hiding. So that's slow and bad, 0. Here, slow is outside this circle, bad outside this circle. So outside both the circles is this area, 0. There is no chance of a mouse being both slow at running and bad at hiding. The reason for that is, of course, that Bathilda has eaten them. So with that thought in mind, I'll see you on another video. Bye for now, Batty fans.